Hey, in this video, we are going to talk about what are the important topics to learn in core Java, especially as a beginner. Okay, many students get confused what all things I need to learn when I'm learning core Java. So here I'm going to give you clear list, okay, which will definitely help you in your learning path. Let me share my screen and we'll go through the important topics to learn in core Java. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So these are the important topics to learn in core Java. Okay. The first one in the list is introduction to Java. Like as part of this, we will understand like why Java introduced and what is the history of Java, all those concepts. So which will give you good fundamental knowledge why why you need to learn Java, why Java introduced. Then the second one in the list is learn about variables and data types. Like we have different data types like int, float, double, and string, all those things. And we also need to learn how to write a syntax for the simple program. So this is a second step, like introduction to Java first, then second one is variables and data types. Third one is control statements. We have different control statements like if, for loop, switch, do while, all those things, which are like building blocks to write any logic or any loops. Okay. Then number four in the list is OOPS concept, like we'll call it object oriented programming. This is a key topic in core Java. So we have concepts like polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, and few other things. Okay, learn basics of all those things. They are really important at later stage. Then fifth one in the list is exception handling. Like after writing a few programs, you'll also understand you'll get some exceptions sometimes. So learn about how to handle those exceptions, how to throw exceptions. We need to learn about few keywords like try, throw, catch, then finally all those keywords. Then next one in the list is input and output. Like we also need to learn how to give input to the program from console, from keyboard, from files. Then we also need to understand how to write output of the program to console or file or wherever it is possible. Okay, so that will also give you a good understanding of taking input and writing output. The next one in the list is collections framework. This is also a key topic in the core Java. Like we have different collections in the collection framework, like list maps. Like in the list we have array list, linked list. We also have a stack queue. Then in the map we have a hash map, concurrent hash map, many other things. But learn a few important topics like array list, hash map, and few more. Those are the very frequently used concepts. The last one in the list is JVM Basics. Like Java is a platform independent programming language. So to understand why it is platform independent, we need to learn a little bit basics about JVM. JVM full form is Java Virtual Machine. So these are the important topics to learn as a beginner. Then once you start learning, you eventually go into deep and you'll also learn other concepts. But as a beginner, if you learn these things, I think you are good. Okay. So I hope this video gave you some information. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Yes, I think we are good.